Hello, and welcome to the HathiTrust Emergency Temporary Access tutorial. HathiTrust is a collaborative of academic and research libraries, preserving more than 17 million digitized items. It offers reading access to the fullest extent allowable by U.S. copyright law, computational access to the entire corpus for scholarly research, and other emerging services based on the combined collection. You will be able to view volumes that HathiTrust has verified are held in the UIUC print collection, even if they're still under copyright. You will be able to read and search the full text of the volumes online. However, only one patron will be able to view the materials held at UIUC at a time. All standardly accessible materials available under public domain and Creative Commons licensing are still accessible. The Emergency Temporary Access Service permits special access for HathiTrust member libraries that suffer an unexpected or involuntary temporary disruption to normal operations, such as a closure for a public health emergency. The service makes it possible for member library patrons to obtain lawful access to specific digital materials in HathiTrust that correspond to physical books held by their own library. So how do we use HathiTrust? HathiTrust Temporary Emergency Access is available to students, faculty, and staff at UIUC who have login privileges through their net ID and password. If this is you, you are able to read and search the full text of UIUC library volumes online.
Now is the time to access these materials. Begin by going to HathiTrust homepage. Select Login in the upper right-hand corner. Scroll down to where it says Find Your Listed Institution and select University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. Click Continue to enter your university net ID and password. There are three ways to find a material through HathiTrust. The first way is to use full text search to search for keywords within the full text. If you're doing research and do not know exactly what you are looking for, this way may be beneficial to you. Let's say you're doing a project on early modern texts for your early modern literature class. You can type these words into the search bar and see what is available. If you're familiar with the exact titles you are looking for, you can use a catalog search by clicking the catalog button, selecting your search filter, and typing what you are looking for. If you know precisely what you are looking for, you can use advanced catalog search. Say I want to find Thomas More's Utopia, but specifically the version edited by Edward Sertz in 1964. I would fill in the relevant information I have about the material I'm looking for and click Enter. Once I've located the material, I click Temporary Access and then Checkout. And now I have access to the full text. You can then turn pages by scrolling with your mouse pad or clicking the arrows above the text. The text will be available to you for exactly 1 hour, and only one person can access the text at a time. The amount loanable is relative to how many copies your library has. If your library has 5 copies of a particular text, 5 patrons will be able to access the text at a time. Let's try another example. Say you are looking for a Slavic literary journal. You can go to Advanced Catalog Search and select Subject. Type keywords of the content you are looking for. And then scroll down to the format you are looking for. If you are looking for a journal, type journal into the search select bar and select journal. And then click advanced search. You can continue to narrow down your search results with the filters on the left-hand side of the web page. If you know exactly what you are looking for, you can use the advanced full text search to locate it. Say you are looking for Russian literature, and you know the circulation run was between the years of 1812 and 1837. Once you've selected that, type in journal, select journal, hit advanced search.
You can continue to account for details of the text you are looking for with the filters on the left-hand side of the page by selecting for language and for place of publication. Now you have found the text you are looking for. Zien odczytstwa. Still need help? If you are still in need of assistance for locating a particular text, please reach out to the Slavic Reference Service through our office hours or by email at srssite@library.illinois.edu.